Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys like learning about plants, you like chilled, relaxed plant videos, hit the subscribe button and come hang out. So today what I'm going to show you are my winter growing Hoyas. So this is just what I've noticed. These are the plants that have finally started kicking off. Yeah, I'm just going to show you and we're going to get to it. Alrighty. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with just an overview. We're just going to focus on the Hoyas today. I could do another one of my other plants if you want another day, but we'll start on this side. So, the Hoya Bulusan, B-U-L-U-S-A-N, yeah, Bulusan, has put off all of this new growth since it's gotten colder. The Hoya danumensis has also shot off this whole long vine. We got a whole bunch of new little leaves down here and down here. The macrophylla put out this new leaf. And this is a new stem, so I think we're going to get more new leaves. Let's see, the Hoya Rebecca actually kind of stopped growing. So I guess she prefers a little warmer. Like she's had this for, I want to say maybe a month or two. So nothing new has really developed yet. So the princesses have slowed down. The Tangsii has slowed down also. The Hoya Papushani continues to grow. This guy hasn't stopped. The Numeroides has started to slow down. I haven't seen any new leaves, but they did put out a new tendril. The Crowianas I have, the Eskimo and the regular, have also slowed, so they, I think, like warmer weather. This guy, Hoya labii red, looks like it's dying for months. I don't know what's going on with it. I just ignore it, and we'll see. I don't think that one likes the cooler weather. The Cardophylla has slowed down. The Hoya diversifolia has put out these two new leaves. This guy is in agreement with winter. My Australis has stopped growing. The Bentiolani put out these 4 top new leaves. They're just starting, they're almost fully hardened off. The Hoya, oh, it's hard to see with the light. The Hoya Heshukliana is putting out some new leaves. Very cute, very cute. The Hoya bencuensis put out this funky looking leaf. So I don't know how happy he is. Alright, we'll move over. Incrusata has put out these top 3 new leaves. And they all look very nice. This tendril, oh, it's finally. We've had this tendril for a very long time. And I think we're finally going to get like either a leaf or something. So stay tuned for that. The Hoya Morita put out these 2 new leaves. This guy is a little funky looking, but that's okay. We'll keep going up here. The Hoya Memoria continues to grow. This is a new leaf right here. The Sunrise finally put out this new leaf, which again is like funky. I think this might have happened when I wasn't here to water them for a couple of weeks. But yeah. This guy put out this new growth right here, but no new leaf yet. Same with this guy. This guy's a newer leaf, but not since winter. I have a Hoya pubicalyx back there who's throwing out leaves, those two darker new leaves. This guy is just a cutting of a leaf. We don't know if he's going to make it yet. This guy is finally, this is two Hoyas in one pot. This is a Hoya Freckles over here, and a Hoya Rosario, and I think it's just a leaf. I don't think I'm going to get anything other than just this leaf, but it's such a pretty leaf, so that's fine. But we are finally getting new leaves on this tendril. Yay! Alright, so this guy right here, Hoya Jennifer, has put out this new leaf, is putting out that leaf, that new leaf, and another leaf right there. So, Hoya Jennifer is a winter grower for me. Hoya Melodithii has this tendril, but nothing yet. Nothing's on it. Yeah, hasn't put anything newer since the second new leaf. This is another Hoya Memoria. She's doing good. These top few leaves are new. My Hoya Carrii, look, to get a new leaf. She's got a new leaf. So she likes a little bit more of winter growing. I don't want to keep touching it, but I always think there's like hair on it, but it's not. Okay, so I think, also, this is another one. See these guys? These leaves, this plant, I don't know if it's dead, it's dying. This leaf turned more green. I don't know what's going on with this plant. It's trying to live. We just ignore it. We're just going to keep ignoring it, give it water once in a while. That's it. And another one that like doesn't want to do anything is my Hoya Grithii. It's 3 leaves. They've been like this for as long as I've had this plant. It's not dead. They're always limp. I'm hoping in the summertime it has enough roots to start growing new leaves, but we'll see. So yeah, that's what we got. Oh, another one, Hoya Fungi, put out this really funky looking leaf. And that's all I have to say about that. I don't know. That's it. Alright, so those are all my smaller Hoyas. And then we got these guys down here. The regular Hoya Canosa continues to grow. Once they get more established, I feel like they don't really go into a dormancy if they're indoors. Yeah, nothing's putting out like brand new. Maybe this Princess, these are like more brand new leaves. This is more newer. This is newer. See the pink still on it. This guy's a brand new. This is a large pink new leaf. Same right here too. Like, who fertilized you? Who fertilized you? The multiflora actually hasn't grown for me since I've gotten it, so who knows? This littler Australis hasn't done anything. The Kentiana and the Schubertii also haven't really done too much for me. The Bertonii is growing. We got some new little bitty baby leaves right there. Those are the only new ones I see right now, but and then the Hoya pubicalyx is growing all over the place. 2 new leaves right here. Still haven't completely hardened off. We got a new tendril. We got another tendril right here. We got tendrils that shoot back to the light back there. So yeah, these are these Hoyas. I can show you real quick my hanging Hoyas, and we can look for some new growth on those as well. I'll be right back. Oh, okay guys, I forgot to show you my Hoya manuparensis and all of the new growth. I'm just going to pull you gently out. Look at all the new growth. We got a new leaf right there. Another new leaf, another new leaf. It's like, it's exploding. It's exploding. I've had this for like a year and it hasn't done really anything. And it's finally growing leaves. Okay, guys. I'll go back to the hanging plants now. Alright, we're back. So, this queen has put out all of this new leaves. This leaf is almost completely, it's going to be almost completely white. Which I'll keep it on here because there's so much more plant. I think it'll be okay. So that guy's growing. These are new leaves on this. The Hoya compactas are harder to see the leaves growing sometimes, unless like they grow like on an end, but we got something happening here. Oh, like right here. We're about to have a whole bunch of new leaves. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 new leaves have all sprouted. I'm not going to touch them because I don't want to mess them up. But there's a whole bunch of new growth on that. Same looks like it's going to happen right here too. Alright, so this guy's growing. This one has a new leaf right here. Alright, so I'm thinking the Hoya compactas are good winter growers. The queen, my smallest hanging Hoya up there, I can't really see, and it's in the corner, so we're just gonna say she's probably growing. These guys put out some tendrils, so we should be seeing some leaves soon. And this guy hasn't grown too much. It actually has a couple dead leaves. I'm gonna have to check this Hoya in the springtime, I think. Make sure we're okay. But alright, we'll move to the next set of hanging plants. Alright guys, so we are back. And this is kind of like how I have my hanging plants in here. The light's like right on them because I want them to grow. So we'll move the lights so you can see. This isn't a Hoya, this is a twisted lipstick plant. But she's doing well. She is growing beautifully. Beautiful girl. Alright, so then the Hoya australis, my nice and large one, is growing. Ooh, we got the start of some leaves there. We move up, we got some actual sprouted leaves. She's got tendrils all over, so I think she's gonna push out some new leaves relatively soon. So excited to see that. Alright, we're gonna move the light back for them. Alright, we're gonna swing now over here and show you these hanging Hoyas. Alright, so this is my Hoya Koichi. She is doing wonderfully. And she's got this nice long vines. And on the bottom of these, you can see some new leaves have sprouted. I don't want to break them. Clumsy me will knock them over. But we got a whole bunch of a whole bunch of new leaves growing. This plant is fussy. It does take a while, but once it adapts to your environment, your watering, your light, it does grow, and it's very beautiful. There is some dead stuff in there I have to pull out, but that's another day. And this guy is my Hoya Yetii. As you can see, she's got all of her tendrils up, and look, there's new leaves on all of them. Are you gonna focus on anything? There you go. We got these brand new leaves. Got another one right here, still nice and dark. We got a little cluster of leaves. We got tendrils. I don't see any leaves on these guys yet, but I believe they will come. look up here. We got new leaves right here. All up on here. Look how cute. They're so cute. Oh, baby leaves, right? Yeah, look right here. Look how cute. Okay. Alright guys, so these are my hanging Hoyas. Let me know in the comments below if you have any suggestions on some of the Hoyas that are not doing so well. How I can help them recover. And yeah, so until next time guys, relax, plant, and peace out.